Top 7 Ways to Make Money Online in 2022. Are you looking for tried and tested ways to make money online? Welcome to our today's video where we will be discussing real ways you can generate income online in 2022. If you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get notified whenever we drop a new video. Here are a mix of tried and true online ventures, as well as new businesses and niches. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. You may already know that affiliate marketing is one of the oldest online moneymakers out there. Here's how it works. As an internet entrepreneur, you'll need your own web presence, website, blog, social media platforms, landing pages, sales pages, banner ads, or e-commerce site. But instead of selling your own products, you sell the products of other companies. You can use several of these combinations if you like, as long as you get your marketing message to the public. Then, pick a hot affiliate niche market, one with many potential customers. Look at social media to ID trends and see what's hot on sites like Amazon and CJ Affiliate, for example. Provide important content and marketing messages aimed at your prospects. When customers on your digital platform click on a link to make a purchase, they are taken to your affiliate partner's site to complete the transaction, and you get a commission for every completed sale. The best part is you don't have to deal with shipping or customer service. Affiliate marketing is one of the fastest and easiest ways to start an online business because all you have to do is promote the products. You don't have to worry about creating products, setting up payment and delivery systems, or handle customer support. You just simply drive the traffic and get them to click over to the companies you are promoting as an affiliate, and if a sale is made, you get a commission for referring that sale. Number 2. Selling on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and Craigslist. When you launch an online shop, you have to spend time administrating the store. However, in order to find customers, you also have to market your store and its products. This can be difficult unless you have a large budget for an advertising campaign or a platform to promote your products, such as a blog or a social media account with a loyal following. If you want to start earning money quicker, you may want to instead consider selling products on an e-commerce marketplace such as Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. On a website such as eBay, you can get going by selling old things around the house that you do not need. Alternatively, you can search your local area for products that are on sale and then sell them nationwide at a higher price. More established sellers tend to use dropshipping. There are thousands of sellers on Alibaba that help you do this. Once someone purchases something from you, you buy the product from China and ship it to them. The customer will never know that you did not ship it directly, as your branding and marketing material can be included with the package. To reduce delivery times, many sellers choose to buy items in bulk and send it directly to Amazon's warehouses using the Amazon FBA program. It's an attractive setup, as you can build up a large successful store on Amazon without ever having to store the items yourself. Number 3. Blogging. You've probably read a business blog at some point in your life. Businesses use blogging to share knowledge and insights, build an audience, and get more leads and sales. Blogging has endless benefits, such as building thought leadership in an industry and improving search engine visibility for a brand. Blogging to make money online has grown beyond big businesses and side hustles. Anyone can now build an audience by putting out great content and make a lot of money from their blog. Bloggers also tend to take a personal approach that resonates with an intended audience versus getting information from a company blog. People start blogs for many reasons, some being an outlet to share their thoughts, passions, or life experiences, a platform to educate readers on a topic they know about, an avenue to sell products or services, a space to build a personal brand. While blogging is a low-investment business idea, it can take time to pay off. Chances are, you won't find yourself on page 1 of Google's search results overnight. But with the right niche and determination, you'll be well on your way to making money online through your blog. Number 4. Start a YouTube channel. Ever thought of becoming a YouTube star? Micro-celebrities like 10-year-old Ryan Kaji are making more than $29 million per year on YouTube selling toys. Another top earner on YouTube is David Dobrik, who makes about $15.5 million entertaining his audience with comical videos. Create a YouTube channel around one niche. This will help you build a loyal audience that repeatedly tunes into your channel, giving you more opportunities to make money online. You could offer tutorials, review products, keep up with celebrity news, whatever you think will keep your audience interested. The key to a successful YouTube channel is to entertain or educate with your content. Once you've reached 1,000 subscribers, you can make money running YouTube ads on your channel. You can also offer paid product placement to big brands, sell products, or become an affiliate to make money on YouTube. Number 5. Selling ebooks. The internet has put a dent in the traditional publishing world. These days, e-readers are all the rage. Ebooks represent about 20% of all book sales in the US. The good news is you don't have to be a publisher with deep pockets to get in on the action. As a solo internet entrepreneur, you can sell ebooks directly from your own website. You can sell your own works or sell a public domain work. Simply upload it to your website or seller account on Amazon and start publicizing it on your social media platforms, on your email list, your blog, website, etc. Number 6. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is still on the rise. After Bitcoin burst into the scene, a lot of other cryptocurrencies have emerged. Gradually, many businesses are accepting cryptocurrency as a form of payment. There are opinions that it will someday replace the money we have now. Whether that is true or not, you should consider investing and making money from cryptocurrency. All you need is to study and understand the market. Buy when it is low and sell when it is high. There are many ways you can make money with cryptocurrency. In the years to come, cryptocurrency will remain a very good option to make money online. Number 7. Develop apps. Whether it's an iPhone or Android, it's got apps and everyone's got one in their pocket. You can't compete with the likes of Pandora and Pinterest, but you can get in on the action. If you have a light bulb moment that addresses a need that people have, then create an app that meets that need. It could be a new way to store photos or a podcast download organizer. Don't panic if you're not a programmer. You're the idea person. You can hire people to create it. With the availability of programmers available at reasonable rates, you could probably find someone on a site like Upwork or Fiverr. Of course, the exact amount you'll pay your developers depends on the complexity of the app. You should create your app so that it works on both kinds of smartphones, Androids and iPhones. That way you maximize your customer base. I believe that anyone can make money from the internet, but you should not be under any illusions about what you have to do to make money. If you start looking for shortcuts to success and following get-rich-quick schemes, you will lose money. My advice is to spend time learning new skills and gaining experience. This knowledge will help you with your own websites and projects and make you an attractive contractor for others. Be as proactive as you can, whether it be emailing companies looking for work, adding content to your own websites, or buying books to learn about the industry. If you have enjoyed this video about making money online, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get notified whenever we drop a new video. Thank you for watching.